GWM Great Wall Cannon. So these cars are starting to get very popular on our Australian waters, and look, they're a Chinese, budget built vehicle, and look, they're not bad for what you pay for them, and they've got some pretty good stuff in them. This has got an 8-speed ZF gearbox in it. It's got the 2-litre engine. They go okay, but they're not amazing. And the biggest complaint we get from people is, can you make it better on the bottom? And we certainly can. So there's the dyno graph, before and after. Red line is stock, blue line is tuned, and this line here is your torque line. So this is power, this is torque. So as you can see, stock form 84.9 kilowatts. After your ECU remap, 95 kilowatts. That's a good 10 kilowatt peak gain across the RPM. But what's more important is what happens underneath. So from 2500 back to 1700, and that's what we can graph, that you can actually, a car obviously makes more power off the bottom end. So I'm going to call it 1500 revs, a little bit earlier. This picks up an extra 60 Newton meters from say 1500 revs and holds it all the way to 2500. So what does that mean when you've got a trailer in the back or you're out on the road driving these cars? Well, you get that throttle response, you get that punch back into them. So squeeze it up a hill, you've got to pull out and overtake a vehicle. That gives you all you need to pretty much get out and get going. So you don't have to jump on the throttle and wring its neck out. You'll find now that you only have to squeeze the throttle and just run on that torque band. And the torque band's quite strong from your 1500, 1700 low end, and it's quite strong all the way to 1500, as you can see here. And once it sort of gets to around this sort of area here, obviously that's where the sort of party starts to run out. And look, you're just starting to run out of capacity on the turbocharger. So from there onwards, it starts to lay over, and it sort of holds itself, and it pretty much just runs in that 94, 95 kilowatt zone, as you're approaching the top end of the rev range, which is that sort of 3700 revs. Not that you need to rev it that high. You'll find now, after getting the tune done, you'll be able to utilize that 8-speed transmission a lot better, keep the revs under 25, 2600 revs, and maximize and capitalize on that extra 60 Newton meters of torque that you've picked up, and you'll just have a much more nicer car to drive. And look, might be the difference between wanting to sell it or keeping it. So my pick is that they are actually a pretty good car. They just need a little bit of help in the tune department. So yeah, extra 60 Newton meters under 2500 revs helps that 8-speed gearbox out just nice. So if you've got a Cannon, you want to book it in, give us a call. Yeah, we'll get you sorted. So hit us up in the messages or the comments or however you want to get in contact with us, and we'll definitely get you sorted out. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you out.